Right, amazing. So we have two iPhone cases we're going to be looking at here. We're going to look at the Beats 16 Pro Max cases. This is the Beats cases with the MagSafe, and we're also going to be looking at the silicone case from Apple. These two different cases. The Beats case is also going to be replacing the fine woven cases for this year. So there's no more fine woven cases or leather cases. I wish Apple would bring back the leather cases because I think the leather cases are really nice. But we're going to unbox first the iPhone 16 Pro Max silicone cases. Woo! It's a nice little unboxing. You can see here, 16 Pro Max. This is the original one from the Apple Store. So still got that same nice unboxing. But to flip it out, wow, yeah, I actually do like this color. It's a very nice color. It's actually, it looks like purple and it looks like pink. So it has a really nice looking color. It looks like purple and also like pink, which is kind of odd, but yeah, it's a pretty nice case. All right, next we're going to be unboxing the Beats one. It's a little bit different from the Apple one. So there's like two levers right here. So there's one lever here. So you just kind of tear it apart. Then you kind of, oh, this is nice. It is nice. This is really nice. I wish you could just experience what I'm experiencing. Obviously you're seeing it through the actual, oh yeah, this is nice. This feels like a premium case. The one thing I don't like is the fact that the bottom is exposed. I like the bottom of this one because, you know, the bottom, it feels like it's a little bit more protected. So, you know what I mean? I feel like it's a much better case overall because it's like kind of protected. But other than that, I think it's a nice case. Like the material, definitely it's a plastic case, but it has a nice, really nice padding. I love the red stitching in here as well. Now, one thing I like about these Apple cases is that it does come with a little plastic here that you can use to extend to the side controls. So this is really, really nice that they have the side control actually built into the case itself. This is a nice case. It's a really nice case, but I just don't like the fact that the bottom is exposed. But other than that, it is a pretty, pretty nice case. I love the color. I pair with this gray color. It looks really nice. The pink one looks pink or purple, whatever they want to call this new color, looks pretty nice too. It's a little bit different than what I'll normally go for, but I wanted to do something a little bit different this year for the iPhone color. This is my old case from my iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's pretty, I would say it's pretty nice. The one thing I love about these silicone cases is just how amazing they feel, just how comfortable they feel, and just so nice and soft. I really love the quality and the attention that Apple pays to the detail. Obviously, it's going to be a bigger phone this year, but the fact that the bottom is actually exposed on the 16 Pro Max is something I really, really, really don't appreciate at all. But this case is going to look amazing if you get something like a natural titanium. You can look at here, see how it looks. It looks pretty decent. I can't lie to you at all, but just the bottom being exposed so that, you know what I mean, there's no protection when, you know, the 16 Pro Max case is going to offer that full protection where, you know, the bottom's will be protected. You can see here just how bigger the 16 Pro Max is, just like maybe the 6.7 versus the 6.8 inches, so it's a little bit bigger. You can see the space here left off. But other than that, these are pretty, pretty nice cases. The box itself is so premium. You feel like you're definitely paying for an expensive device. It has the Beats logo as well. I like the way Apple marketed it, like it's a Beats. So it's a lot, like it's a little bit like different from the actual Apple case. Then it got the Beats logo right here at the side, which is pretty nice. And obviously there's no other logo other than just the Apple logo at the box for this one, but real plain padding, Beats logo right here, you know, made in China, of course, but the Beats logo being here is absolutely amazing. Yeah, so there's nothing else that comes inside the box. This is all that comes inside the box. The case itself, it's a really, really nice case. And this one comes with Apple. The difference is just the logo. This one comes with the Apple logo. This one comes with the Beats logo to let you know that they're separate. So that's the only difference between both. So I have a little pamphlet thing. That's about it. But yeah, what do you guys think about these new cases? So the Beats cases are really nice. They're 100% plastic. Like it's even hard plastic. And then the silicone cases obviously is a much softer plastic. So it feels a lot softer, which I think is pretty nice. Yeah, this is it. Old case, the new case. They change the colors every year a little bit, but I really liked this particular case. It works really well with my iPhone, and I thought this color was pretty nice. It has a little, it looks like pink and it looks like a papaya type of color, which I think is pretty decent. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comment section about these new cases. Are you going to be picking up one with your 16 Pro Max, or are you just gonna go get a case from Amazon, a $20 case? Let me know. If you want to see more videos like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're gonna be making a lot more iPhone videos moving forward. I am the iPhone King. I'll see you next video.